Hello, this is the last episode / post about Scribe. Let me just show you how it works and I can explain to you while I'm using it what it is. So here I'm just gonna write a project name, so I'm gonna speak about Scribe now. Let me start recording. So for the last weeks or so on LinkedIn, I've been posting the devlog about Scribe, which is a tool that I'm working on that can transform speech, so what I'm doing right now, natural language, to a draft of an article. What I'm gonna get out of me speaking about a topic would be a condensed, structured, and organized version in an article format. What you do in the beginning, when you open the Scribe app, you write the project name, and then you just start recording. While you are talking, different chunks of audio are getting saved. Once this is done, you want to stop speaking, what you're gonna do is transcribing the article. So you need to stop recording, and then at the end what you can do is transcribe. So you get the transcription of what you said, and then creating an article out of it. After you create the article, you can also critique it. And let me just give you an explanation. Here I've been speaking for around 1 minute. So let me just stop the recording and show you how it works. Now I'm getting like 10 chunks and I can transcribe them. So as you can see on the server in the background, the server has all the audio files, is getting the transcription for each one of those and basically appending them at the end of each other. Here there are some things I can do to make it even faster, but well, the the optimization is gonna come a bit later. And as you can see, it says for the last 5 weeks I've been working on Scribe, and it transcribed it quite good. It still has some things that didn't go good. For example, TechHead transform speech. I doubt I've been saying that, but overall it's quite good. And also LLMs are flexible and can understand and recover errors. So let's see how the article can work. So once you transcribe, you need to transcribe first because the server only has the audio files, and then the LLMs is going to take the transcription and create an article. So this is the base the model is going to work on. This is the short article version. Have you ever attended a meeting or a conference in which there was a way to capture all the information that was presented in the moment? Well, no further than Scribe. So it is quite funny. It gives you a kind of hook. And this is just, as I said, just the article draft. It's quite organized. It explains, for example, in the introduction what it is Scribe. It gives you like some value out of it. It explains you written article. You can also critique it. As I said, this is kind of reordered what I said from the beginning to the end and kind of makes it in an article format. And this is super impressive, it's nice, but as I said, this is mostly help for the base format of the article. It's not in the style that I want, it's not in my style. I'm just using this as kind of the base level and then heavily editing, adding things where I want, changing things, checking, of course, there's gonna be mistake. But yeah, I find it is so cool, so helpful for me, because sometimes I just want to speak about something, giving different ideas and then add them in a structured format in a nice way so that I can work on them later on. This is Scribe, quite cool. Let me know what you think of it. And right now this is running on localhost. I doubt I'm gonna publish it, but yeah, in case maybe you're interested, I can either open source it or maybe find a way of making it usable. Let me know what you think of Scribe. Do you like it? Do you like the idea? And do you think it's gonna be helpful maybe in your workflow to write articles?